Hey up, I'm Warren at Forbes Rentals. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to dismantle the Roma Denver for transportation. First, remove the seat by approaching from behind and lifting from the underneath. Then remove the battery pack by simply lifting up with the black plastic handle on top. Thirdly, disconnect the rear end of the scooter by lifting the release catch on top and rolling the rear end away from the main body. Lastly, loosen the screw at the base of the steering column, which will allow you to lay this flat. Your scooter is now in 4 easy manageable parts for transportation. To reassemble, simply reverse the process. Lift the steering column and tighten the screw at the base. Lift the main body using the seat mount and roll the rear end into place. The main body will sit on and lock in. Next, place the battery pack back onto the contacts. And finally, place the seat back into the mount. Your scooter is now ready to go.